axle looks like that right there.
If I look like this?
Look.
Oh.
And this
Oh,
one.
that's just where they tighten the U-bolt.
No, this here in the frame.
I don't know. I say we leave it like that and give it back to customer. What did you? What?
The spring it's already messed up. Look at this. I cut it all the U-bolts because it's already loose and everything. Look at inside.
Oh, that looks brand new-ish.
Look at this bolt. It's destroyed completely. So look at how loose is this one inside. This one is more. Spring it's already straight. Completely looks straight. This one needs put it down and weld it in the top because it's more broke. The stopper. That's what happened on the other side. That's where the axle looks like that because the stopper is broke. You put too much weight on it. I can use that stuff.
No.
Look at this one.
Oh, that brand new spring.
Oh, look at the stopper in the back hanger. It's broke.
There is no stopper. It's
That's
just.
like I say. That's why the axles go all the way to the top and then bend the axle.
Basically brand new trailer.
Question is,
What's the question?
what's the best, cheaper to do and put a new everything, axles and brakes and everything, or just rebuild that axle? Eventually the axle is gonna work out. It messed up your tire. Expensive tire. This is expensive tire.
He was blowing out tires every week, so I gave him these. And he hasn't blown out any tires anymore for a long time. But he was coming and getting new tires like every week until he put the 17.5s on there. He's probably had them on there for a year now.
Finish was, look at this, my shake, it's already,
I know, there's no shade. You need to move it now.
I need to put a new brakes don't work. Need to put
Are you
new
putting a
bearings
new
and
axle?
seals. That's like I say, it's easy to put a new axle and then to put the old stuff back in. It's cheaper.
What?
Put a new axle, new spring and everything. Basically everything. That's it. You want me to do that?
Sure. As long as